Ready to bend the web to your will and create your very own Chrome extension? Let's dive in. First, create a new folder on your computer for your extension. Inside, you'll need 3 essential files: a Manifest.json file, an HTML file for your user interface often named Popup, and a JavaScript file, perhaps called Script, to handle the extension's logic. Open up that Manifest.json. This file is the blueprint for your extension, telling Chrome everything it needs to know. At a minimum, you need to define the name, description, manifest version, and a browser action that specifies the Popup.html file that will appear when you click the extension icon. Now for the Popup. This is where you design the interface that the user will interact with. Keep it simple to start, for example, with a button. Next, the brains of the operation in Script.js. Write the JavaScript code to add all the functionality you'd like, making sure to pair it with the HTML elements you designed moments ago. A basic script might simply log a message to the console when the pop-up is opened. Time to load your extension into Chrome. Open Chrome and navigate to Chrome. Extensions enable developer mode by toggling the switch in the top right corner. Click the Load and Packed button and select the folder you created for your extension. If all goes well, your extension should now be visible on that page and ready to be used by clicking the icon on the extensions bar. Congratulations! You've built your first Chrome extension. This may just be the start, but experiment, explore the Chrome extension API, and unleash your creativity.